Have you ever wondered how investigators unravel the mysteries of air accidents? The answer lies in a small, robust device known as the Cockpit Voice Recorder, or CVR. The CVR, an essential tool in aviation safety, has a fascinating history. It traces its roots back to the early 1950s when Australian scientist Dr. David Warren invented the world's first prototype, aptly named the ARL Flight Memory Unit. The initial model could record over 4 hours of pilot conversations and instrument readings, marking a significant advancement in accident investigation. By the late 1950s, the concept of recording cockpit sounds was introduced, and the modern CVR was born. Fast forward to the 1960s, the United States made it mandatory for all commercial aircraft to install CVRs. These early models used magnetic tape to record, a technology that was eventually replaced by solid-state memory in the 1990s. This shift to solid-state technology was a game-changer. It allowed for longer recording durations, improved data preservation, and made CVRs more resistant to the extreme conditions of a crash. Today, CVRs can record up to 2 hours of cockpit audio, capturing not just the pilot's voices but also engine sounds, alarms, and other ambient noise. But the evolution of the CVR doesn't stop there. As we venture into the future, there's talk of incorporating video recording in the cockpit. This addition could provide an even more comprehensive understanding of events leading up to an incident. So why does the CVR matter? Quite simply, it's the black box that speaks the truth. It provides investigators with invaluable data, helping them piece together the puzzle of an accident. It's a critical tool that has revolutionized aviation safety and continues to evolve, shaping the future of flight data recording. So the next time you're soaring through the skies, take a moment to appreciate the humble CVR. It's an unsung hero, quietly working behind the scenes, ensuring your journey remains safe and secure.